By using Microsoft Teams, we can connect with our classmates, our teachers, even our friends, by means such as video call, audio call, and chatting. Let's take a look. First, you need to access your Teams account through your Outlook account or through the application that you have installed previously. Once you access your Teams, you will go straight to the Teams app. You will find all the classes that you have been joined to. You can even join a team using a code. But most probably, the teachers already added you to the teams that you are now a member in. Once I choose the class that I want to, I click on it. This is the main platform of any classroom I am joined to. I will see the Posts tab, Files, Class Notebook, Assignments, and Grades. Once I click on Posts, here I can type and start a conversation with my teacher or any of my team members. I type my message and I click on Send. I can also click to reply to other messages or react to them. If I need to attach a file, I can click on the Attach button and upload a file from my computer. I can even insert emojis and stickers to make my learning experience more fun. If I go to the Files tab, I will see all the files that had been shared by the teacher or other students in this team. I can choose a file to download it or to open it. By clicking on the class notebook, I can access my personal notebook that I use to write my assignments and take class notes in. I need to click on the arrow on the side and go directly to my name. Once I click on my name, I can go to the sections that the teacher already chose for me. And if the teacher wants us to work all together on one project, I can go to Collaboration Space. I can work here with other classmates and the teacher watching us. By double-clicking on the screen, I can now insert my answer. If I need to go back, I open the navigation panel so I can go back into my notebook. I can click on Content Library if I want to access any lessons sent by the teacher. As you see, this section is a read-only section, so I cannot edit in this section. If my navigation panel is too crowded, I can go back to the arrows and click on it, so I would see less information. If I want to check what the teacher sent, I can always go back to my notebook. For example, if I have a homework, I can go to the homework section and I will see my homework here. Once I double click on my screen, I can write now my answer. I can even modify the font and the size of my writing. And the color as well. If I go to the Insert button, I can add pictures, files, links, table, and much more. I can even send my teacher a small audio to tell her exactly how I feel about this homework. Or I can show her with an emoji. Once I finish, I don't need to save. This automatically saves. And this is the homework that I just presented. If I go to the Assignments panel, I will see all the assignments assigned to me by the teacher. I can see here the assigned. I have a research due today at 5 p.m. I need to click it and reply to my teacher really fast. This is the title of my assignment, this is the date, and this is the instruction. The teacher even uploaded a resource for me, so I need to click on the resource to see what the teacher sent. After watching the video, I can go back to my research. To the side, I have a rubric. The rubric helps me to find out what am I required to do. I have to concentrate on these three aspects, and then I close. Now that I figured out everything that has to do with this assignment, I need to add my work by clicking this button over here. I click on New File, and I can choose a file type, either a Word document, a presentation, or an Excel spreadsheet. By clicking on one of them, I can start a new document. But I have done my homework on a separate sheet, and it's on my desktop, so I can upload it by clicking Upload from this device. I have to make sure that my file is uploaded and then I click on Done. I can even add more resources and more files. And now I need to turn in my assignment by clicking on the Turn In button at the right. Now I can go back and I will see that I have nothing assigned, and if I click on the Completed, I will see the research that I have already turned in. I can always go to Grades to check what my score is. I will see the points over here. If a teacher starts a meeting, I need to join the meeting by answering the phone call. And I would know that there's a meeting by seeing this camera sign next to the channel. So I go to the channel and I click on Join. I have to make sure that my camera is off and my audio is off as well. If there are 2 meetings or more happening, I need to know which room I should go to. If we're working on a project, the teacher already assigns which room I should be in. So I need to click on that channel and join the meeting. I can even go to Activity to check all the activities that have been going on in all my teams. If I want to send a message to a teacher or a fellow classmate, I click on the Chat button and writing the name here. And then I can type the message that I want to type and send it. I can even video call or do a regular call with this person. I can add more people to the chat and share my screen with them. By clicking on the Files tab to the side, I can see all the files that I have in all my teams. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.